Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with another summer project. Today we're making this cute flag bunting. This simple fabric garland is an easy way to decorate your space for any summer, patriotic, or picnic event. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out the blog at debsdays.com where you'll find plenty of sewing and crafting projects. It's also where you'll find a link to the written version of this pattern with step-by-step instructions, cutting measurements, photos, and the printable templates. And since it's a digital download pattern, you can get started on your very own flag bunting today. I've added a link in the description below this video for where you can find it. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric for the flags, fabric for the hanging ribbon, batting, pinking shears, and of course the printable templates. First, cut out the largest circle template. Place a piece of red fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place a layer of batting and align it with the shorter end of the fabric. Fold the other half of the fabric on top of the batting with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place the flag template on top of the fabric at least half an inch away from the fabric's edge and pin it in place. Rough cut around the template at least a half an inch from the paper's edge. Stitch the flag by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Remove the template and place it on the other half of the fabric, at least a half an inch from the fabric's edge. Pin it in place and rough cut around the template. And again, stitch around the template very close to the edge of the paper. And follow the same steps to cut out and stitch flags from the other fabric and batting pieces. Use pinking shears or a pinking blade to trim at least a 1/4 inch outside those stitching lines. Now use the middle circle on the template to cut out 6 pieces from your white fabric. Center those white circles with the right side of the fabric facing up on top of your red circles. Stitch the white fabrics to the red fabrics by sewing 1/8 of an inch to a 1/4 inch inside the edge of the white circle. Now use the smallest circle on the template to cut out 6 pieces from your blue fabric. Center the blue circles with the right sides of the fabric facing up on top of the white circles. Stitch those to the white circles by sewing 1/8 of an inch to a 1/4 inch inside the edge of the blue circles. Cut each full circle in half to make 2 half circles. To make the hanging ribbon, cut the fabric into 2 1/4 inch strips and sew them together to make one long strip. Fold both short ends of the strip under half an inch and press it. Fold the strip in half lengthwise with the wrong sides of the fabric facing each other. Press to make a crease. Open it back up. Fold one side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the other side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the entire piece over and press it. Place the raw edge of the top of one of the flags inside the crease of the long fabric strip and use fabric clips to hold it in place. Arrange the rest of the flags inside the fabric strip, spacing them and arranging them as desired. Then top stitch about 1/8 of an inch from the edges all the way around and all the way across the strap to enclose the flags. And just like that, just that fast, we have this cute flag fabric garland to decorate for the 4th of July, picnic, your barbecue, or your holiday parties. If you'd like to see more projects like this one, with digital patterns that you can print at home, check out the blog at debsdays.com. I've added a link in the description below this video. See you next time with another project.